Dear, this is JVN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Department of FEM. Program is BCom third sem, BCom Honors third sem, and course is Business Mathematics and Statistics. And session of today is Importance of Statistics. The fact that in the modern world, statistical methods are universally applicable, it is in itself enough to show how important the science of statistics. As a matter of fact, there are millions of people all over the world who have not heard a word about statistics and yet who make a profuse use of the statistical method in their day-to-day decision. Statistical method are common way of thinking and hence are used by all type of person. कहने का आशय ये है कि स्टैटिस्टिक्स भले ही किसी कोर्स और डिसिप्लिन के रूप में लोग नहीं जानते हों, जो लोग इलिटरेट हैं, जो कम पढ़े लिखे हैं, लेकिन स्टैटिस्टिक्स का उपयोग दैनिक जीवन में प्रत्येक व्यक्ति जीवन के प्रत्येक डोमेन में करता है. Examples can be multiplied to show that the human behavior and statistical methods have much in common. In fact, statistical methods are so closely connected with human action and behavior that practically all human activity can be explained by statistical method. This shows how important and universal statistics is. In various disciplines, use of statistics is statistics in planning. Statistics is indispensable in planning, may it be in business, economics, government level. The modern age is termed as the age of planning, and almost all organizations in the government or business or management are resorting to planning for efficient work and for formulating policy and decision. So various uses of statistics are in planning, statistics in mathematics. Statistics is intimately related to the essentially dependent upon the mathematics. The modern theory of statistics has its foundation on the theory of probability, which in turn is a particular branch of more advanced mathematical theory. A measure of integration, ever increasing role of mathematics into statistics has led to develop of a new branch of statistics called mathematical statistics. Statistics and economics are intermixed or very closely related to each other, that it looks foolishness to separate them. Development of modern statistical method has led to an extensive use of statistics in economics. All the important branch of the economics, consumption, production, exchange, distribution, public finance, various uses of statistics in economics. So in another discipline, in social science, various use of statistics in the social science, and every walk of life statistics is used. Statistics in the trade, statistics in the research work, it is very important use of the statistics. The job of research worker is to present the result of his research before the community. The effect of variable on a particular problem under differing conditions can be known by the research work only if he make use of statistical method. Statistics are everywhere basic to research activity. To keep alive his research interest and research activity, the researcher is required to lean upon his knowledge and skill in statistical method. So statistics is used in every step of life, every walk of life. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you very much. See you.